break, we cannot emphasize on like the feeling of it, like we expand, but then it makes us get together after we expand. So in this case, these we always gonna go to the right. When we do Copa, when we do around the world, or when we do the turn that we just talked about. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, direction, 6, 7. Yes, from here, we're gonna do it cross body feet. So I gotta stay on the follows right, left side. And then I switch hands by 2, 3 follows, you have 2 options. Keep your hand neutral or place the hand on the back on 3. So you do 5, 6, 7. Right here is a very small step. 1, 2, 3. Here we do rotation. 5, 6, 7 follows. You always want to land in front of the lead when you do the turn. You don't want to do 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and then going in a different direction, going away from the lead. You always want to stay and finish in front of the lead. Yes. Then from here, what do we do?
Rotate.
1. Is that what we did? No. Sorry. So let's do it again. We did the rotate, yes. 2, 3. Then we do open break. 1. Outside turn. 5, 6, 7. 1. Switch hands. 5, 6, 7. 1. 3. We ask. Not that we ask, but since the hand is available, we just grab it and then do the same turn that we were doing. Okay. From here we do Copa. 2, 3. All right. From here, as we turn the follow, there is tension in our fingers. So when she's turning, we should be able to rotate the fingers, and this should always be a established connection. If I do it from here, from the Copa, there's gonna be what? Tension. If there is no tension, give me no tension. This hand might just, yes? There is no connection. Guess what's gonna happen as we turning? It's gonna do this in the air. That's the disconnection that might happen. So if we both have tension, then if I'm turning, then I should be able to always stay connected to the follow. But if the follow and the lead doesn't have the same connection, the same tension that we're asking for, this is gonna happen all the time. All the time. See. So when we do Copa from here, let's actually go from here. We do the prep. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Open break. 1, 3. Tension. Turn. And 1, 2, 3. So to answer your question, it's all about tension. Yes, if the follow is very, very loosey, this is happening most of the time. Yes? So if we do it together, 1, 3. Just push that thing is going on. 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Prepare. 2, 3, 6, 7. Copa. 3. Tension. 6, 7. 1. Bonus. 6, 7. 1. 5, 6, 7. 2, 1. 5, 6, 7. Yes?
Sí.
Awesome, guys. Good job.